Hello?
Yo, where you at?
I'm about to arrive to the military change. I came from the back road.
Oh, you're not there yet? You're not at the river?
Oh, doesn't look like it's raining over here.
That's what I'm saying. It looks pretty nice, dude.
You know how we always park by a neighborhood when we go way back there with your dad?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm just going to park there. So
Yeah, same.
Over there.
Okay, alright.
Yeah. Okay, alright.
Alright, dude. Alright, guys, so that right there was my boy Outdoor Habits, my brother. We're gonna meet up. I initially got the boat ready. Like, I got everything ready. Everything, guys, everything. Like, went through electronics. I cleaned it, vacuumed it, scrubbed it, everything. We were supposed to go on a boat today, but we got a severe thunderstorm slash tornado slash high gust wind warning, like basically bad weather warning. We decided to just, sorry, I look a little tired. I literally slept in. I didn't plan on coming out anymore, you know, but my brother was like, dude, I'm still gonna go out there on shore, so I'll meet you there. I was like, fine, I'll get up and go. That's what happened. But anyways, we're gonna go out today. We're looking for some walleyes, white bass, whatever's running, throwing flies, plastic. I think today I'm gonna focus more on plastic. You know, I just wanna, I guess I feel like donating more lures today. I don't know what it is, but be sarcastic, okay? But again, the goal is to catch a keeper. It's really hard, but still fun at the same time because I just enjoy challenge, right? It's tough. I'm not gonna lie, it's really tough, but we can make it happen. I think so. We have a short window to fish. When I say short, we have like 5 hours. With that being said, stay tuned. I'll see you guys with my brother Outdoor Habits, and let's go have some fun. See you there. Got your keeper already? There's like nobody out here.
Perfect day today,
Told
dude.
you. I said the storm is definitely coming, man. I'm surprised you didn't go to the fallen tree.
I don't know.
You pitch this plastic around. Yeah. Really? Oh man, John's on.
16 incher.
Yeah.
Guess who I'm fishing with? Oh, wait, let me record. Hold on.
I think John got a fish on, dude. It might be a tree actually. That tree's running sideways pretty good.
Finally.
Oh, John's on. Oh. Little guy, but you know, it's the start. On the purple?
Blue.
Blue, nice.
Yeah. Real hard.
It's good news.
Look.
I know, yeah. I saw your rod tail go down. Yeah, the same spot where I missed out. Oh, John's on again. You guys on fire. I'll come join your tribe. Little fly tribe.
It's slowly getting bigger.
Fun size. Milking?
That one feels real close.
Yeah, that's why I missed it right there on my foot. There, oh! Bro, he hit it twice, dude. I think they're not close off. You missed that, yeah. Oh no, you got it. Crushed it. Oh, bro, it's actually a decent one.
That goes on the board.
Ah, nah.
No, that goes.
I know,
It's
yeah.
gotta be 17.
17, yeah. You got one too?
Yeah, we don't know.
Dang.
Okay, let's take a picture.
For sure, man.
Oh, dude, he chomped on the purple one. Dude, that's so fun. I don't care. They're
Oh, yeah. This is so much fun.
fun, guys. Ew.
Alright, cool. Alright, catch your release.
Let's go, buddy.
There we go. Nope. See, this one's not that heavy. The other one, oh yeah, I couldn't even lift her out, dude. I know where they're at now. I know exactly where that drift is now. As soon as I landed in it, this one pulled it. It's another fun size. I mean, they're bigger from this morning.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's not bad.
Yeah, red and green. Relax, chill. Give me my hair back. Right here. Oh, he got it. See? Told you. And that feels like a good one. It's probably just a tugger. Way out there, bro. Look at him run. Oh my god, don't surf this. That's a good one, dude. Ah, I hate when they do that. That's actually a decent one, bro. Let's see. Oh, stay on, stay on. You got it? Oh, same size. It's just a chunky guy. Yeah, 16 and a half. All right, see ya, buddy. Got another one. Yep, yep. On the green and red, dude, same spot. Oh, look at this guy. I don't know, dude. They all feel big down the river, man. You know what I mean? It's a brown trout, bro. Same spot. You see how it's just right there? Yep, another 16-incher. See that? They're getting bigger, though. Yep, back then. On that chartreuse. Got one.
Double up.
Yep. Go behind me. I mean, go in front of me. Go for me. Go in front of me. Mine is small, though. Look, surface. I'm just gonna ski him over, bro. I don't care if it pops off. I'm gonna try to record both of us. Just not 15, 16, yeah. Look at this guy. I'm just gonna ski him over here. Screw it. Now stop walleye action.
Yeah, me and Dave, we're doing non-stop action on that, guys. I think the fight is temped on, dude. We have found the fish. Oh, I'm not.
Yeah, after like how many spots? Go.
Look at that, guys.
Ding.
That's crazy. Drop my phone in the water.
Yep. Got another one. That's a nice one. Alright. I'll fight it like you. You're like.
Listen to it.
Yep, I got you. Oh, jeez. Ready? Here he goes. Right, bass fish. Right here. I'm gonna lip it. Just kidding. I got on the ground.
Oh, there you go, Katie. Dude, what's going on, David?
Pumping flies, right? We're catching fun-sized walleye, man. Let me lip it for you guys. Ah, never mind. Can't lip it. All right, I'll just kill it. There he goes. Little fun-sized males. Ready? Oh, jeez, it's gone. Okay. Daddy, I'm on.
Good?
Yeah. This might just be a fighter. You know how it is, man. They just fight really hard. This one's not coming out. You see that? It's pulling really hard for some reason. It's pulling odd. My hand hurt, bro. No, it's just a decent one. Oh yeah. Death row. It's a nice walleye. We can get this on a good angle right here. Oh yeah, he wasn't going anywhere. All right, ready? Oh. Take off. In case it's a big saw guy or something, you know. Johnny Boy's on. Outdoor habits. On the red, right?
Red again. Red's the color, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Switch the green to red and then boom.
Now it inhaled it too.
Squirt.
Lip it. Oh, I got one too.
Double up.
Yeah. Oh, this one's tugging. It's a short though, you could tell. Oh, no, I lied. Damn, this one's not coming out. What the heck?
Really?
I don't know. Oh, it popped off. Just a 16. Yeah. Deuce it. Got him. Yeah. Oh, it's actually nice, dude. On the red and green. Yeah, this one's nice. See how long it is? You want to bump? Yeah, we should bump it, yeah.
Yeah, he's just short though.
Yeah.
He's probably 17.
Yeah, 17. You know 18 when you see one. Back. Man, I don't know who did this, guys, but I guess I'll just clean it up real quick since I'm already here. I just left the line. There's like a line disposal right there too, bro.
Literally.
Yeah, like right here. It's only a foot away.